In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AppyPie Design, along with some handy templates and tips to make the process smoother. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to refine your app building skills, these steps will guide you in creating a visually appealing and functional app using AppyPie Design. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to AppyPie's App Builder software. Once you're on the home page, your first task is to locate and click on the Edit Mobile Apps section. This will direct you to an area where you can begin customizing your app. Next, look for the App Manager option and click on it. This section is the control center for your app design journey. The App Manager provides a comprehensive view of all the features and tools available at your disposal. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this interface, as it will be pivotal for the steps that follow. Now, we move on to design. Clicking on this option is where the magic truly begins. Here you can select an app layout from various available styles such as matrix, slide out, bottom, or list. A handy tip: as you make changes, you'll see a mobile frame on the right side that previews your modifications in real time. This allows you to visualize instantly how your app will appear on devices. Following up with design elements, let's customize your app's name and category. Navigate to the respective fields to ensure that your app's identity fits the content and audience effectively. Each app deserves a unique signature, and this step helps establish that. Changing visual elements is just as crucial, so let's proceed to alter the app icon. A well-designed icon is not only a symbol, but also a powerful first impression of your app. There are many to choose from, or you might opt to upload a bespoke icon that represents your brand's identity. Further along, we'll adjust the app background. A compelling background can set the tone and enhance the user experience, so choose wisely. You have options to select from existing templates or upload an image that resonates with your app's theme. Now, before we move on, don't forget the splash screen. The splash screen is one of the first elements users see when they open your app, so it should be engaging and keep users interested while your app loads. Next, click on Color Theme. Here you can personalize your app's palette to suit your brand's aesthetics. A harmonious color theme ensures a cohesive visual experience. At this point, we'll customize your header, a prominent part of your user interface. This component should be consistent